Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the latest release from Huawei, the Huawei Watch Fit 3. If you're on the fence about whether this sleek smartwatch is right for you, stick around because we're breaking down everything you need to know. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and comparisons. Now, let's get into it. First up, let's talk about who the Huawei Watch Fit 3 is perfect for. Whether you're looking for an affordable alternative to the Apple Watch SE, a fitness enthusiast wanting to track your activities, or just someone wanting to keep an eye on your health basics, this watch might be exactly what you need. Now, let's dive into what we love about the Huawei Watch Fit 3. From its familiar design with a variety of colors and straps to its impressive battery life and excellent health tracking features, there's a lot to like here. Plus, with its appealing price point, it's hard to ignore the value this watch offers. But, of course, there are a few drawbacks to consider as well. From a limited app ecosystem to NFC payments only being available in China at launch, there are a couple of things to keep in mind before making your decision. Overall, we're giving the Huawei Watch Fit 3 a solid 4 out of 5 stars. With its excellent health and fitness tracking capabilities, comfortable design, and impressive battery life, it's a great option for anyone in the market for a new smartwatch. Moving on to the design and hardware specs, the Huawei Watch Fit 3 takes clear inspiration from the Apple Watch Southeast with its square display and rounded edges. But don't let that fool you. This watch stands on its own with a lightweight and thin design, bright AMOLED display, and impressive battery life. Setting up the Huawei Watch Fit 3 is a breeze, but make sure you have the latest version of the Huawei Health app installed on your smartphone. Once you're up and running, you'll have access to a variety of health tracking features and exercise modes to help you reach your fitness goals. Speaking of health tracking, the Huawei Watch Fit 3 has you covered with features like heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, stress levels, and even menstrual cycle management for women. Plus, with over 100 sports modes to choose from, you'll never run out of ways to stay active. When it comes to tracking your workouts, the Huawei Watch Fit 3 shines with detailed metrics and guidance tools to help you get the most out of your exercise routine. And with features like auto-detect workouts and personalized training plans, it's like having a personal coach right on your wrist. So there you have it, folks, our comprehensive review of the Huawei Watch Fit 3. With its stylish design, impressive features, and affordable price point, it's definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a new smartwatch. Thanks for watching, and be sure to leave a comment down below letting us know what you think of the Huawei Watch Fit 3. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and we'll see you in the next one.